Almost 70 years ago, Longreach was a familiar name to long-distance travellers. It was the home of Qantas, a small but enterprising airline, creating history by flying distances people had simply never dreamed of. Now the longest-serving airline in the English-speaking world, Qantas introduces the world's most advanced long-distance aircraft, the Boeing 747-400. Its name, there was really only one choice: Longreach.
Qantas 74 for the last time, you're clear for takeoff.
Qantas Longreach, the only way in the world to go the distance.